Hey guys, in this video we can talk about how can you install GoodLock application in any country or any Android phone, any phone in any country. So guys, watch this video and do not forget to like or subscribe my channel. So GoodLock application were banned in many countries or not available in some countries. So how can we use this application in other countries where it's not available or not available for usable? So how can you use this application? So watch this tutorial and you can also find it. So follow my steps. First of all, you need to check GoodLock application where is available or where is not available. Okay, so you can go to any browser or Google, you can just find here. Then you just need, when you find, you just need to go to your phone, mobile phone Play Store. After that you need to search VPN. Okay, and after that you can see some application, or you just need to use any of them. Just click on here, and after then it's a secure VPN. It may be not working for some time, so I have go to Turbo. Just click on here. Now you need to go to proxy, check here your location and where is the good lock application available in country. You just need to collect this VPN on the like Canada, UK, or here is Germany, Singapore. So this type of a country you need to just choose. After that you have choosing the sites. After that you just need to connect this VPN, and when you connecting VPN, then go to Play Store and search here good VPN. Okay, sorry, good lock. And when you search here, you can find this application on the Play Store. So it's a simple step. I hope you can understand. Do not forget to like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, then comment us.